Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the Triumph HD 3-9x40 rifle scope. If you want a reliable, no-nonsense rifle scope for your deer hunting rifle that's quick and easy to set up with an included set of rings right out of the box, then it's hard to beat the Triumph HD 3-9x40. Starting on the outside, we have a very familiar setup. A 1-inch scope tube, of course, like we mentioned, will be coming with those 1-inch rings to complement the rifle scope, 40mm objective bell, and capped elevation and windage turrets. Of course, to maintain reliable performance out in the field, the Triumph HD 3-9x40 features waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof construction. Length and weight on the Triumph HD 3-9x40 is 16.5 ounces and 11.8 inches long. Moving inside, as the name implies, magnification with this rifle scope is 3 to 9 power. The reticle is a dead hold BDC in the second focal plane, giving you quick reference points for shots at varying distances. Eye relief on this rifle scope is 3.9 inches. Included in the box with your Triumph HD 3-9x40 is a set of 1-inch rings compatible with most factory rails, custom turret tool, hex wrench, neoprene scope cover, and lens cloth. Last but certainly not least, the Triumph HD 3-9x40, as is the case with all Vortex products, is covered under our lifetime unlimited VIP warranty. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the Triumph HD 3-9x40 rifle scope.